Okay, I am super bored at 5:14 in the morning. So I'm gonna make this video about the Dallas Cowboys, my best friend, and my MySpace. I haven't slept in 3 days. A little tough. La, 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 la. I found this really, really hot song for the Dallas Cowboys. I was like, but yeah. Do you want to hear it? No? Yes? I don't care. Here we go. Oh, it's gonna be really loud. Damn it. Hold on. Hold on.
It's them Dallas Cowboys. The boys back in town like, it's your favorite homie. That's me. Here we go. Tony Romo in it hole. Watch him roll and watch him throw. Watch him lead them Cowboys to the Super Bowl. Now watch me crank that cow. Watch me crank that cow. Watch me crank that cow. Watch me crank that Cowboys. Julia Joe right through that hole. Watch him juke and watch him go. Watch him lead them Cowboys to the Super Bowl. Now watch me crank that cow. Watch me crank that cow. Watch me crank that cow. Watch me crank that Cowboys. Back to them boy we know. Watch him win and watch him rock into the Super Bowl. And what a that Romo got. Full momentum never stop. Jocking on them Eagle, man. Who that wide open in the middle, man? It's number 82. Stop the hating. Hate for him up the sideline to Patrick Creighton. Catches in the end zone all game every day. Them Giants kinda mad cause they can't beat us anyway. CEO up in that hole. Watch him catch him, watch him go. Watch him lead them Cowboys to the Super Bowl. Now watch me crank that cow. Watch me crank that cow. Watch me crank that cow. Watch me crank that Cowboys. Big flow, make that hole. MB3 to the goal. Watch him lead them Cowboys to the Super Bowl. Now watch me crank that cow. Watch me crank that cow. Watch me crank that cow. Watch me crank that Cowboy. Bouncing on his toe. Watch him tuck and watch him go. He gon' slang it to Sam Hurd or gon' toss to that T.O. Them skins can't beat us. No, they don't stand a chance. They scared of the secondary. Roy's a bad man. Man, what can you do? When it's picked off by T-New? No, y'all can't do it like us. No, some don't even dream, ho. I seen you try and do it like us, but we America's team. So Marcus way off in that hole. Watch him second, watch him go. Watch him lead them Cowboys to the Super Bowl. Now watch me crank that cow. Watch me crank that cow. Watch me crank that
It's
cow.
almost over.
Watch
It's
me
a Giants fan,
crank
so
that Cowboys. Pat Watkins in this hole. Watch him pick and watch him go. Watch him lead them Cowboys to the Super Bowl. Now watch me.
I'm trying to look at my eyes at the
Watch
same
me
time.
crank that cow. Watch me crank that cow. Watch me crank that Cowboys.
Yeah? Okay, yeah, so that was my song. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah, that was my song. That was my favorite song. I love that song. It's about my Cowboys. Okay, so, now that we established that, let's move on to my hold on. Okay, my best friends. Okay. Um, um, my best friend of all time is probably Cassie Ackerman. My sister. Weird, right? Lucas. Yeah. Mark. Yep. Anthony Payne. my Dom under one, but he's kind of up there. Chris Brown, Chris Breezy. I love it. Yeah, I don't know. It's probably about it for my best friends. Trying to think. Oh wait, no. Only in the friend material kind of thing. Yeah, those are the only people I can really trust. That's kind of sad. Pizza is good. My MySpace. I like MySpace. It's fun. Okay, this is a 5-minute and 6-minute movie thing, and it's kind of boring. It's mostly about the song, but hey, who cares? I hate talking to one person. It pisses me off, so I'm talking to more. So, yeah, this is. I need to find something to do at 5:20 in the morning. I'm gonna make stupid expressions. Pretend they're cool. Hear no evil, see no evil, speak no evil. No way! Oh, that sucks. Chicken butt. I'm done with this video. This is boring. Sorry I wasted your time. I'm gonna turn it off now.